Is your printer producing blurry or fuzzy printouts? This is a really common issue, and there are a few easy fixes. The number one cause of blurry printing is a clogged or dirty printhead. Ink nozzles can get partially blocked, causing ink to spread unevenly on the page. Go to your printer's settings or maintenance menu and run a printhead cleaning cycle. Most printers do this automatically in about 2 minutes. The second cause is low ink. When a cartridge is running low, it can't deliver enough ink consistently, which makes text and images look faded or blurry. Check your ink levels and replace any low cartridges. Third, check your paper type settings. If your printer thinks it's printing on plain paper, but you're using photo or glossy paper, it will apply the wrong amount of ink. Go into Preferences and match your paper type to what's actually loaded. And fourth, use the right print quality setting. Draft mode is fast but produces lower quality output. Switch to normal or best quality for sharper results. If you need affordable replacement ink for HP, Canon, Epson, or Brother, check out CastleInk, up to 70% less than retail. Link in the description.